Blue Tacoma. Russell Dickerson, Kicks 105.5. A good day to you. 747, and my good friend Mike Bear from Bear Insurance Agency calls us about 10 minutes till 8 o'clock every Wednesday, and we talk good policies. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Sean. How are you?
I'm doing extremely well. I don't know if you've kept up with the news, but you know there's freezing in Texas and flooding down south, and so it kind of led me to think about some things that I wanted to ask you.
Sure.
With vehicles that get like pelted by hail, okay? Maybe it breaks my windshield. Maybe I get dents in my actual auto, the body of the vehicle itself. Is that going to be a negative impact on me when I go to renew next year, even though I didn't cause the problem? It was an act of God. Are they going to increase my insurance because I had these things happen to the vehicle?
So things like that. So if your vehicle is flooded or if your vehicle is pelted by hail, both of those are going to fall under comprehensive coverage. So if you have comprehensive coverage, you will be covered for the damages. And no, you really shouldn't be penalized. Now, here's the thing: is that you're not going to be penalized in the form of, hey, you had an at-fault accident, right? So that's a good thing. But some companies may, based on the size of the claim, so the amount of the payment, you may lose what we call a loss-free credit with some companies, which is like a 2 or 3% credit, which is pretty minimal, and it's only going to be gone for a period of 3 to 5 years with most companies, if at all. A lot of companies will give you some level of forgiveness if you've been with them for a long period of time.
Now, if, like Carfax helps me follow a car's history, am I able to ask you as my insurer, what is this VIN number on this vehicle? What has it gone through? How many owners? Where has it been? What states? Can I ask that kind of information from you?
I wouldn't have that information. I wouldn't have the ability to get it. You would have to do a Carfax type situation on it. So
Okay.
that's something that's completely separate.
Very interesting. Very interesting. I'm curious about water damage, things falling out of the sky, trees and what have you. I know that that's an awful thing to deal with. Now, if I just had regular insurance and I didn't pay extra for some of the better bells and whistles, I would have to find myself a ride while my car got fixed. I'd have to, there's time probably lost because I couldn't get to work. Whereas if you bought, the better package, I'll just say, that I would get a rental car and I would get, things that would help me get back on my feet after having damage done to my vehicle.
Yeah. So, and that's one of the problems that we have in our the world of auto insurance is that so many people, when they're looking to secure coverage, they're more curious and more cautious about what they're spending, and are really being particular about what they have and what they don't have. And it's easy to do that when you're shopping and looking to obtain insurance. But when it matters is exactly when you have an incident that occurs that requires that your vehicle has to be towed for a vehicle breakdown, or that your vehicle is going to be in the shop and out of commission for a period of time, and you need a rental vehicle. So you need to really, when you're obtaining insurance, you need to really think what it's for, not what you're paying. Not that you want to pay $1,000 more a year. These additional coverage components are very incidental, inexpensive, and for a few dollars more a month, you're getting better protection where you're not left stranded and having a higher expense exposure when a loss occurs.
That's very interesting. Things like that, I just feel so much comfort when I have conversations with you that help me ease my mind about things that I've been like, ooh, is this going to cost me money? Is this going to be problematic as I move forward? And I think that a lot of people enjoy getting that information from you without having to make that phone call. But if you want to, you're more than welcome, even if he's not your insurer. Mike Barrett at Barrett Insurance Agency will gladly field questions for you. You can call him anytime by buzzing up at
748-5224. You can knock on the door and wave through the window at us at Portland Street in St. Johnsburg. We're kind of like an aquarium without the water. We're just in there moving around. But we are closed for COVID, but we are taking people by appointment. So you can certainly make an appointment and come see us, and we are adhering to all the CDC guidelines. You can find us at our website, get a free home or auto quote, and learn all about us at thebarrettagency.com. Also, we have a lot of customer reviews on our site if you're interested in seeing what others think of us. And you can find us on Google, Facebook, and YouTube, Barrett Insurance Agency.
All right, my friend, good to hear from you, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Are you at the office now or on your way in?
Today I am working remotely because I have some stuff going on at my house, and it was either me or Jen, but Jen had the snow day with the boy yesterday, so she's going in today.
Yep,
and
she lost rock, paper,
staffed.
scissors, yeah. Rock,
she
paper,
did.
scissors.
I am a master of that game, sir. We play rock, paper, scissors, Spock, because we're kind of geeky.
Of course, because you're fans of Big Bang Theory.
Oh, is that where that came from?
Yeah,
I just came up with it on my own.
Yeah, no, Lizard Spock. You wish you were that smart.
I ain't that smart, I tell you now.
Live long and prosper. I'll talk to you next Wednesday.
And may the force be with you. We'll see you later.
Bye.